Hi everyone, and welcome to a Mighty Ginkgo tutorial. My name is Zero and I'll be your instructor for this lesson. Now this lesson is actually a little bit different than things that we're used to because it's not exclusively for Second Life. It's actually for anybody who wants to extract animations and use them for their various projects. I saw people asking about the process of trying to transfer animations that they wanted from Smash Brothers and put them into their Unity games. So it was like reading all of that, trying to find this, and then the website for some of the stuff was down. But the process has changed, and this is actually an easier way of doing it, and I hope that it helps you out. So what we're going to do is we're going to first you need to have the packs, the PAC files for your character and the PAC file for their animations, because you kind of need the motions. It doesn't come with them together. You can easily find it, and I think I had a description link for it. I'll say it might be in the description. If not, just Google Smash Brother packs, and then somebody will have it posted somewhere. So I downloaded it, or you can just rip it directly from the game. I just downloaded it. Somebody did it for me. So I'm going to go to our file, the thing that's going to help us, and that's BrawlBox. I know that there's probably an updated version of this. I remember seeing it, but I couldn't remember what it was. But I did have BrawlBox forever on here back in like 2014 when it was the hot thing. So this is what I suggest you use because that's what I'm using. So BrawlBox or anything else that can save it. Well, you'll see what I mean later. So anyway, we have BrawlBox, and I'm going to open up our packs. I'm going to go to File, Open, and ignore this. This is me experimenting with something else. So as you see, I got all the packs for this, and since I already have Chic already done, because that's the one that I like, I'm just going to open up Chic. So you see you have the character, model data, fit Chic, and a little preview comes up. You can then preview if you want to look at admire the character and the animations and stuff like that. You can just preview. And if you want to test the motion pack before you export the stuff out, you could just go into click on the side, open this up, select load, and you're going to go to your motion pack. So fit Chic, motion, etc. pack. And this will have all of her animations. And you press play, and you can see what the animations look like. Now, before we were like, how do you save it? You would just click export, and then it will save as a .anim file, and that's what they would tell you. Export it as an anim file, and then get the Actor X thing and run it through Maya, which means you had to find Maya and get the trial of it or pretend to be a student of Maya. No, we're not doing it. That's way too many steps. Here is the easy way of doing it. So I'm going to close that out, and we are going to come back to BrawlBox, and we're going to right click on the Fit Chic model right here, and then we're going to export it out as no, that's wrong. That's definitely wrong. We want to save this as a there we go, BRRES, or BRES as I've been calling it. So we're going to save it as our BRES file, and I'm going to save this as Chic so we know which one it is. Okay, it's saved. Next, we're going to go and open up our motion file that we had just saved. So I'm going to go back into that folder and find our motion. Fit Chic, motion. Here we go. I'm going to open this up, and we're going to click on the top here, and we're going to press export, and then save that. Not this one. Her motions. Export. How the hell did I save it last time? Like I said, it ain't a Mighty Ginkgo tutorial unless I'm dunking something up. Alright, hang on. I remember this. I just gotta remember what I did. Wait. Alright, hang on 1 second. I'll be right back. Okay, there it is. Sorry, I was clicking the wrong one. It's this one. And then you export it. Oh, wait. I clicked on the wrong one again. Alright, so it's the second one, the red one, the one that says animation data, which is makes all the sense. You're just going to right click on that and then hit export. And then it's going to save this as animation.brs, so Brez. So, and we're going to put Chic on there so we know who it belongs to. No, I almost spelled the show. Save as, and then that's that. So we're done with BrawlBox. You can close it. And we're going to open up our Brez viewer. Now, I was using this because I was testing out Animal Crossing animations, so don't pay attention to that. We're just going to close this here and open up a fresh one. Alright, so we have our Brez viewer, and we're going to open it up as file, open files, go back to our desktop and find Chic, and it opens up, but it doesn't show. And you're like, oh, it's broken. Well, you just have to click on the files and open it up until you find Chic and double click and then she'll show up. Now, she'll show up without textures. Don't worry, that's not you. That's just how the viewer is. It doesn't display textures for some reason, but it's not the textures that we're interested in. We're interested in the animation. So now that we have Chic in here, we just have to load in the animations. So go back to File, Open Files, go back to our Brez, and find Chic Animations. And so here we have all her animations that are here. Now, the sad thing about this is, in its current state, we cannot do bulk exporting. So you have to click on the animation that you want and then go to File, Animation, Export, PSA. And then you type in wait PSA. Now this is the one that I already did for our demo, so don't need that to just save. And no idea why she's upside down, but whatever. There we go. And now you got that out as a PSA, and we need to take the model and export that out as a PSA. So we're going to go to Model, Export as a PSK. So PSK is a model, PSA is an animation. I guess P skeleton, P animation? Not sure. Okay, no, well, we got the model out and we got the skeleton, so everything is fine. If you want more animations, you just have to double click on it and then go to animation and then export and then PSA and then do it all until you get everything you want. There is no bulk exporter. Somebody tell one of your coding friends to make that happen. Look at all these animations. You gotta save all that crap. Well, somebody will do it, I guess. For the greater good. Alright, so now we're done with this, and then we go into Blender. Now, for this Blender, again, I was working on Animal Crossing stuff, so pay no attention to the man behind the curtain. So go back and make a whole new thing. Now, you need to have the PSK importer for Blender in order for this to work. And although they made it for 2.7X series of Blender, which is what I usually use, I found you get the best results in their 2.8. So 2.8 Blender for this. Ugh, I can't believe I said that. But it works fine. So I'm going to import. First you have to import your model, because you can't import the animation straight in. You have to import the model first with a skeleton and then put the animation onto the skeleton. So remember, PSK first, which is the skeleton, then PSA, the model. So let's get the skeleton in first. And that's our Chic. She's going to be super tiny, but no worries, because we can just press A a couple times, then press S and scale her up. And then we can right click on her and do the smooth thing, so she's not chunky, shade smooth. There we go. So now we have her. She's up, she's hip, she's waiting for that animation. So we have our skeleton. Let's put the animation in. So do File, Import, Skeleton, and then PSA. and then we do the wait, and then we press play, and then you see we have her animation. Now, I know some people need it in FBX, which is easy to do, so we just press A, select everything, go to File, Export, FBX. I'm pretty sure the animation is stuck in there by default. Select the objects because I'm just used to checking that, and I'm going to go to my desktop and just hit Export as FBX. And now if you wanted to give that to people so that they don't have to go through all the song and dance of downloading that PSA thing. Ooh, what's this here now? Oh, general. Okay. We're just going to File, Import, FBX, my desktop. I think it's that one. And then there she blows. And it's all animated. So that's how you get FBX files from Smash Brothers, and it works with pretty much every other Wii thing that you can get animations for. So I hope this helped people out, because I saw a lot of questions for it, and then they were telling you to go around the block. But as you can see, in 10 minutes or less, especially if you're not explaining it to somebody, you can get animations from Smash Brothers into your projects. So good luck and have fun, and come back if you want to know how we're going to translate these Smash Brother animations into Second Life animations, because that's what this channel's about, and I feel like somebody's going to say, well, how do you do this for Second Life if I don't say it anyway? So this has been Zero, and I've showed you this. Good luck and have fun with your projects. See you the next time.